What's up guys, welcome to the next part of my upgrade series. What I'm going to be doing in this video is unboxing the video card and my power supply, because I'd like to do a power up test of the motherboard before I get it into the case. Let's get started. Alright, this is a Radeon HD 6850 from XFX. It's 1 gig of GDDR5 memory. There's the back of the box. And let me get this open for you. Now, this is sort of a budget upgrade, so of course this isn't the top of the line video card, but I think for this application it's going to do just fine. Inside the box we have a product guide and quick install guide, driver install guide, an actual driver CD, and then this guy is your limited warranty. You also get one of these little hangers that you can put on your door, a do not disturb sign. I don't think there's anything in here. Nope. And then the actual card. So you can see the copper heat pipes in there and aluminum heat sink. Nice fan. Here's the side. You got 2 6-pin power connectors. And there's the back. And the front. This is kind of a nice detail here. The logo imprinted here. So you get 2 DVIs, HDMI, and 2 display ports. Pretty slick. Okay, next up is the power supply. This is a 600 watt modular supply from OCZ called the ModXStream Pro. It's 80 plus certified, and let's get in the box here. Okay, so we've got user manual and the actual power supply. Now, what's interesting is there's no protective foam up at the top. There is a piece of foam at the bottom, but not one on the top. That's a little weird to me, but okay. This doesn't look damaged or anything, so that's fine. Okay. So you got a little pouch with all your cables. It's a nice touch. And then these cables are sleeved. We'll put this aside. Power cable. And then the actual power supply. Let me get this out of the plastic. Power supply's out of the bag. And one thing I didn't show were these mounting screws. You do get 4 of them. These were in the pouch that had the modular cables. Would have been nice if these were black or maybe colored to match the power supply, but that's okay. So here's what it's going to look like mounted in my case, because I'm mounting fan down. So you get a nice big sticker so you know what this is. Power switch on the back. Here's some more info on the side. And here's the cable. So this is a modular power supply, but it's not fully modular, I guess, because these guys are wired in direct. But to me, that you're going to need these anyways. So you got your motherboard, power supply, as well as your 8-pin, and then there's also a 4-pin here. And then here are all your modular leads here that we'll plug into here. Fan up top. I thought it was 140 mil, but I took a look at the box and it says it's 135 millimeters. So pretty cool. Okay, time for a little bench test. Have video, mouse, and keyboard plugged in. I don't have my video card plugged in because I don't have a DVI cable to my monitor, so I'll just have to go ahead with the VGA. And you can see that the power switch is illuminated. So let's go ahead and press that. You can see the 7-segment display cycling through its codes. This thing's really silent. While this thing was booting, I hit F9, which brought me to this system information screen. Looks like everything's recognized as far as the processor and the memory goes. So I see Core i3, 3.3 gigahertz, and 8 gigs of memory installed. So I think we're all set. Okay, it's all starting to come together, so I think we're ready for the next part of the build. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.